LG refrigerator and I have a fresh story to tell. Bowgli tha jungle mein, hiding behind the bush. Mummy Papa were ready to do an ambush. Nazar padi mummy ki while he was tasting the freshest fruits. That day, he was brought back to his roots. Ghar aake ho gaya wo change. But still, there was something strange. Na jaane kyun, he kept running back to the trees. He didn't like the taste. He didn't like the smell. So he kept running back to the trees. He didn't like the taste. He didn't like the smell. That's where I come in. Escape the struggles to feed freshness-loving Bowgli with LG linear cooling refrigerator that keeps food naturally fresh and hygienic for really long. Now Bowgli stays at home because he gets more than fresh, farm fresh.